Hi class, this is just a quick video midweek just to reassure you, because I know some of you are feeling a little bit overwhelmed right now, and I wanted to say that that's okay, and it's often normal to feel overwhelmed when you're doing something that feels new and something different, and this is different for a lot of you. But this week is we're kind of halfway done with our annotated bibliography, and I just wanted to just kind of recap where we are, so you can kind of get your head above the water. So module 1, you decided your issue. You decided on your topic and your issue, and you came up with a good solid purpose statement, and you all did great proposals. Those proposals were really, really good. Everybody who needed a little extra something, I've worked with you individually, so everybody should feel really good about those proposals. I was really impressed with the work that you did for that. For your annotated bibliography, on Sunday you turned in the summaries of your 5 sources, and this week you're working on credibility of those sources. So this is the week where you really get comfortable and confident reading those 5 sources. And you're going to put it all together in an annotated bibliography. And for just so you know that it's a useful tool. An annotated bibliography is helpful for all kinds of reasons. First of all, it sort of forces you to really look at your sources. You have to read them, you have to summarize them, and you then have to assess whether they're credible and whether they're useful. And that's a lot of work. I know that. I'm aware that you're spending a fair amount of time. The nice thing about that is, by the time we get to module 3, you have to write a rhetorical analysis essay using one of those sources. You know your sources pretty well. You're becoming an expert on this topic. And by the time you get to your actual research paper, you will feel quite confident in your topic. So just give it a little bit of time. Now, this week, again, is all about source credibility. And I'm going to just take one last look at what you have to do week 5. So don't forget, on Tuesday, February 28th, you have your virtual assignment. There's a video for you to watch and a PowerPoint for you to review. You will then write a journal summarizing what you learned in that video and that PowerPoint. And again, this sort of reinforces that journal or that summary practice. By midweek, you need to do a practice credibility assessment template, and you'll find that work under this week 5 folder. And then on Sunday, you're going to complete those credibility assessments on your 5 sources. Now, those are the same sources that you summarized, all right? So you should feel like you know those sources by now. And next week, week 6, you're going to put it all together into your annotated bibliography. And if you wonder how that should look, you should always go and look at the samples I give. I always put a folder of sample documents to show students what the finished product should look like. And here, in your very first module 2 page, if you go down, I have 2 sample annotated bibliographies. And not only they're annotated bibliographies, so they're explained. So I want you to click into these. I want you to read through these. This will give you a really good idea of what I'm looking for with this annotated bibliography. All right? And any questions you have, please email me. Please stop by. Please set up a virtual meeting. I'm happy to work with you individually. I really want for you all to feel confident and good about the work in this class, and let me know how I can help you be successful, because that's what I'm here for. All right.